Here is Locket widget app, and they just released a new feature which is called Captions. So to use Captions, let's just like take a photo, and then you can just swipe, similar as you would swipe on Instagram. But then you can add location, you can add weather, you can add time, you can add some sticker like party time, and all of that. So you can just swipe around, or you can just tap on the right sidebar, and then you can just add like decorative stickers, or like add general stickers, and then you can just yeah, add your location, add weather, or add a message, like just a text message. So yeah, at the moment you have like 8 different captions which you can add and which will appear yeah, in the Locket widget, in the widget.